What's going on YouTube? I'm back at it again. I'm gonna be working on the Subaru. Let me just give you guys a brief history of what's going on. I'm having issues pumping gas, filling it up. The gas pump just keeps on stopping. Now, from my research on YouTube, I guess it's a common issue with some of these Subarus. Never experienced anything like that, working on Acuras, Toyotas, Hondas, and so this is the first time I came across this certain problem. Now, there were some people that I've seen replace. I just got back from pick and pull. I just got this charcoal canister right there, and this vapor canister with this vapor purge valve. I think that's what they call it. So yeah, I just got this from pick and pull, and so I'm hoping it's still good. When I took it off the car, the car is in the yard, but it was in there for collision. Now I'm hoping, like I said, it's still good coming off the car. Now I want to go ahead and replace these components out of this car, replace them with these, and hopefully that fixes the issue and the problem. I'm hoping it's not something that's more serious. Now, I don't have a check engine light, so I don't think it's anything electronic or valve, fuel valve related, because I'm pretty sure that the ECU would give me an engine code for it. So I'm gonna start off with this. I have a little under half a tank left, so I'm gonna replace it and then head out to the gas station and try to see if I can pump some fuel in here without the pump stopping. So let me do that now. It doesn't take that long. It's pretty easy. I'll show you guys that. All right. Alright guys, so here's the old one I just took out. It seems like it's still, everything looked like it's still intact. I don't see any dirt or pellets in there. And here's the other canister right there, and the valve. So you guys can see, it's pretty easy to take out. This one, I just pulled it out of the hose, from the metal hose right here. Pulled it out from there, and then this one was just a 17mm bolt, and the whole thing comes off. Let's try the ones that I just got. I'm gonna put these on. All right. Alright guys, so just got out of the gas station. So you guys seen it. It worked just by replacing those parts, those components. I was able to fill up the car without any problems, without any issues. So this is what I got right now in the fuel tank. Still climbing up to full. But yeah guys, so if you guys are having the same problem and you guys don't have a check engine light, I would suggest just replacing that charcoal canister and then that vapor canister with that purge valve, and I think that should do the trick. But yeah, so you guys seen I was able to pump without a problem. So hopefully you guys have the same luck with your issue. Alright guys, but that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Later.